They are flamingo, green color, 8-inch, and I will try these ones today for you. Hello everyone, this is Victoria here at Shoes of Hollywood, and I'm so happy to be here with you guys. Today we're gonna review these stunning shoes. The name is FLAMINGO-809, and they are 8-inch. As usual, they bring with this box for protect them, and they bring with cream color. So let's see. Oh my god, I love it. I love this color. I think it's going good with everything. It's like black. They bring with super grippy button as usual, and cushioning on the bottom, really soft, bright in gold, and ankle strap make them super secure. Next one, I really love this style. I really love this style, and in this color it's perfect for use with whatever you want to use. Pants, dress, shorts, and even whatever color, because they are like black. And all of us girls have to have at least one high heels in this color. You always gonna need in any opportunity this color, cream. These are 9, 5'9", so yeah, I'm gonna be super tall because they are 8-inch. I'm gonna be 6'5". Oh my goodness, that's amazing. I love it. Okay, let's try. Oh my god, what did you think? This cream color is so amazing, and with this outfit that I'm wearing today, they are going pretty good. I love them. They are super soft. I can't stop to say that because it's the truth. I look so tall, like a superhero. They are easy to walk because they bring with super high platform as well, so you can handle pretty well. That's good. And also make you feel comfortable and not getting tired. That's important. So you can use for big days as well if you want. Sometimes when I see the shoes, I can't believe that I'm walking in such a high heels because you really don't feel like you are walking in such a high heels. They are super comfortable. Okay guys, as usual, we go to walk around a little bit for show you how amazing look under sunlight, but don't forget to subscribe, to leave your comments here down, and click on the little bell in this corner for don't miss any video from this channel. Let's go. They are pretty, they are elegant. This color for me is super elegant. You can use for elegant occasion as well. This is a pretty day today here. I'm going to turn around a little bit, show you the detail. They are stunning. And I feel like I'm doing really good today. I'm doing really good. I'm walking easily. Make me proud of myself. Are you proud as well? Here we go. I just love this work. I have to show off the shoes, and that's amazing. Oh my god. Outside is so hot. Warm day. They don't want to leave me. Okay guys, if you like these stunning shoes, we will leave in the description the link so you can buy it. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.